Hey y'all, and welcome to the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. I am Susan, your hostess, and today we have a mail call / product review. And I received this box from the Saker Manufacturing Company, and I received a 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. Now this is a little handheld vacuum cleaner. And we're going to open up the box, and they have a bag on the top to store all your goods in, a good sized bag. And this is the exact way this box is packed. It's got a filter, and it's got some tools. Let's get this unpacked. It's got this, and it's got a little brush, a little extension, a little funnel for like keyboards and stuff, another little brush, and a wand. And then it's got another type of wand. It's got a cord. Get rid of the box for just a moment, and it's got this little handheld vacuum cleaner. Really neat. It plugs in right here. And this is your turn on and turn off button right there. Right here. It's got a tip. Dust accumulation on the filter can reduce the suction power of the vacuum cleaner, causing a weaker suction. Please clean the filter in time or replace it with a new one. And then they have an email, customer service email on there. And before use, please fully charge and press long for 3 seconds to start up, and then press short to switch to the high grade. So it's got little notations here. It's got the Saker name right there. It's already got a filter in here, and it's got a book. It's got their Saker instruction manual. The instructions are written in English and in German, and it's got a warning page with all the warnings, and then it tells you what all the parts are for. So I'm going to hold the parts up and explain to you. This of course is number 1 on the list. This is your vacuum cleaner, and this is a floor brush. This is a stainless steel filter screen, a storage bag, this is an air extraction nozzle, the USB cable, this is a short blowing nozzle, and then you have a long flat suction and a long flat suction brush that attaches to this. And then you have a pipe blowing round brush with a long blowing pipe. So these fit together like that, and nice little brush on the end. I'm going to get this unit charged up, and then we are going to try it out. It talks about the dust shield on here. This will come off. It's got a cup inside that collects dust, a filter screen, a HEPA filter, stainless steel filter, and then it's got an air inlet inside here, and a switch, which is right here, an air outlet, which is down here, and a charging port. Oh, the air outlet's here, I'm sorry, and the charging port. The battery inside this is a DC 4-volt battery. This is a 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. It has a dust capacity of 0.2 liters. It takes 4.5 hours charging time to discharge. That's a discharge time. And the weight is 380 grams. The dimensions is 21.5 times 16.5 times 7 centimeters. And the only thing that it did not come with is the plug for the USB. So I'm going to go plug this into my USB and we will get this charged. Okay, the light on the charge turns red while it's charging, and it will turn green once it is charged. We are charged. Okay, we're inside my truck, and you can see I've got some dirt down there. And to turn it on, it's a long press. It's got good suction on it. Get it on high, you press it again, short time. It even sucked up a leaf. We're going to try the floor attachment. And it sucked up some stuff. A brush attachment. And again, it picked up some stuff. We're going to try one more thing. I've got the little funnel on here. We're going to try it. I've got it on the reverse, so this will be blowing out air instead of blowing in air. Now I'm going to try it with blowing out the air through the little brush. Okay, this is the air extraction nozzle. And it works. My honest opinion, y'all, on the Saker 3-in-1 cordless rechargeable vacuum cleaner. It's a little handheld vacuum cleaner. It's very easy to operate. It does everything that it says it will do. The on-off button works. You just have to follow the instructions. And it'll be really easy to clean. All I have to do is run this under some water, rinse it off, dry it with a paper towel. I can rinse the filter, allow it to air dry, and then I can replace it in here. It's a handy little tool. We'll use it a lot around the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch for various projects. It's small enough that I can get in there and clean out my windowsills, things like that. I can clean my keyboards on my laptop off. A lot of intricate detail work that I normally could not do with a broom and duster, I can do with this. So this is a definite yes for me. And all the tools fit in the bag. And this fits in the bag as well. And I can store it hanging up with all my other cleaning supplies, so it'll be really, really handy. This product is guaranteed. It's got a satisfaction guarantee on the box. I'll just read that to you real quick. Let me close this box up. We are confident in the quality of the product in the process of daily use. If the product has quality problems or have any questions about the product, please feel free to contact us. We are always there, and it is made in China. And they've got their contacts on here, their website, their customer service, and their Facebook page on the box. The voltage on this is 7.4 volts. The peak power is 120 watts. Power is 80 watts. GW is about 380 G. Dust capacity is 0.2 liters. All of that is on the box. And they show you all the parts on the box. There's all the information on the box. The front of the box. And the other side. And of course they've got their name clearly on the box. Very good quality product. And I will leave a link to the webpage that they sent me in the description box below. I am not an affiliate of theirs, and I did not ask for a discount code, but I think in the future I will ask for discount codes just in case that you want to purchase this and give you a little bit of a discount. And y'all, I've got sweat running off of me because it is hot outside. But I've got to get back to my cleaning. This thing is going to be well used around the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. So thank you, Saker, for sending that to us for free as a product review. We really and truly appreciate it. And if anybody else wants to know, the product number is right there. It's HL107B. Thank you for watching. God bless.